right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're going to do some light reading, so let's dive right into where we're going to pick up from. So let's go over our process. We can safely create a password file for our project. The first thing we would do is go to our terminal and run this command. We would say cd.moccasin. Once we run this command, we will notice that we have a new folder in our project directory called .moccasin. This folder is where Moccasin stores all of its configuration files, including the key store directory where our encrypted private key is stored. To make sure that we have the key store file in our directory, we can run this command while we are in the .moccasin folder. We can say ls. This command will list all of the files and folders in the .moccasin directory. We should see a folder called key store listed in the terminal. To be even safer, while we're inside the .moccasin folder, we can do something like this. We can say make dirt unsafe passwords. This command will create a new folder called unsafe passwords inside the .moccasin folder. Next, we can cd into the unsafe password folder by running this command. We will say cd unsafe passwords. Now, we're going to leave it right there for right now. Tomorrow, we're going to pick back up and we're going to see what happens when we actually cd into this unsafe password directory that we just created. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.